Hi, I'm Katie with WTI and welcome to my bar. This is my home gym that I have set up in my basement and I knew that I needed a bar. I decided to go with a freestanding bar by Artan Balance. I wanted freestanding because I didn't want to have to screw anything in, so a freestanding bar was perfect. I love this bar because it is easy to put together. There's just a few screws and the height is adjustable and it's really lightweight and portable, but it's also really sturdy with its steel frame. Now this looks like real wood, but it's actually all metal. This bar is specifically designed with balance in mind. So it does tip if you're going to push and pull on it, but that helps you rely on your own balance. I do like that the feet have rubber grippers. I have this on carpet, so it doesn't help me, but if I were to take it upstairs where we have wood floors, then it would be really helpful to not slide around. When the bar is set at its lowest height, it's great to use for strength exercises because you can put your full weight. This really is a useful piece of gym equipment for more than just stretching, which it's also great for stretching. I love all of the low impact but high intensity exercises that I can do with this bar, and I've been very happy with having this in my home gym. And that's my point of view.